What up, guys? El Patronn at Brooklyn Mitsubishi, and we here at the new headquarters. As you can see, we're getting ready for the winter. We got all the trucks already. We got a new allocation coming in for the winter, and we actually have the cars, guys. Okay, so over 500 vehicles in stock, the most in the tri-state area. I understand there's other people out there that are trying to take the belt from us, but guys, the belt's not going anywhere. Let's get this serious, okay? This is the new location, all right, the new headquarters for Mitsubishi, and basically we're gonna go for the #1 spot. You guys already know we're #1 in the NYC, and we're going for #1 in the nation. So click the link below, come get a car from Brooklyn Mitsubishi and El Patronn, and let's make this a very good year. All right, guys, so shout out to me. Let me know on social media, link up, and let's make the best deal possible, all right? So you get the best experience while you're at it. So come get it, let's go.